Hi there, I'm doing a product review for Bleep DreamPorts and Eclipse. I've been a customer for Bleep DreamPorts for a number of years. They're little stickers that go on your nose and your frame clicks on to your nose like this. And I've been eagerly and patiently awaiting the new Eclipse halos, and the box is much smaller, as you'll notice, and the stickers are magnetic. There's a metal ring around them that goes around the inside of your nose, and the frame is a little bit smaller and goes up here and fits perfectly. I have to trim a little bit to make sure that my metal is for a perfect seal. I got my new halos from SureSealCPAP.com. That is SureSealCPAP.com, and like I said, I've been a customer for the DreamPorts for a number of years, and I was seeing these the halos advertised as a new product coming out. I was anxious to use them. Waited about a year to for them to come out, and I ordered a 3-month supply, which comes with the witch hazel pads to wash your nose. And these pads stay on my nose all night, and I have night sweats, so they stay sealed and very secure during the night, even like with me excessively sweating while I sleep. I do absolutely love the new Eclipse because I think they seal much better than the DreamPorts. The DreamPorts are good. This is better. And they are covered by insurance. However, I do not choose to run mine through insurance. And the adhesive stays, like I said, all night. I don't have any leaks, and I sweat, and they stay. When I take it off in the morning, there is no adhesive left behind. I do have sensitive skin, so and I've maybe experienced a little chapping area around my nose, maybe like 3 or 4 times throughout the, like I said, I've been a customer of DreamPorts for several years now, so, and most of the time it's just during the winter when the air is a lot drier and you need a little moisturizer on your face. But this is a great product, and I can't wait to have all my DreamPorts gone so I can use this fully and exclusively. And the reason I've researched other CPAP masks over the years, and I get a headache with straps going around my head. They slip off, and these are great. I've had a number of different masks over the years, and like I said, this doesn't leave marks on your face in the morning. I don't have a strap going around my head to cause me to have a headache during the night, and I don't have a mouth guard causing me to have dental issues, and they stay on. I was skeptical at first, but I tell you, first night that I tried it, I fell in love. I'm glad I bought a 3-month supply, and like I said, you get a 3-month supply, you get your DreamPort witch hazel facial pads to go along with it. You just wash your face with your nasal pads. You put on your stickers according to the directions inside the package, and you attach this, and it stays on all night. I hope that you try these for yourself, because like I said, I've been a user of the DreamPorts for years, and I'm going to be using these Eclipse for many more years. Thank you.